In a world where the security of our homes is paramount, the question arises, what is the most secure type of door lock? It's a query that might seem straightforward, but is actually riddled with complexities due to the myriad of options available. The problem at hand isn't just about picking the most expensive lock or the one with the most features, but about understanding which lock truly offers the best protection against unauthorized entry. It seems only fitting that the UK's most secure composite door now features the country's most secure locking system, Ultion. It's called Ultion because it offers the ultimate locking protection, all with a £2,000 homeowner guarantee, capable of sensing an attack and subsequently engaging via a hidden lock to prevent intruders from gaining entry, even when snapped twice. Analysis has shown that Ultion easily outperforms the very best 3-star locks in a variety of different tests, and when locked, stays locked. No key, no chance of burglary. Ultion is that good. The result of Ultion and Nuki working together is more than a smart lock. The specially designed Ultion lock and handle bring Nuki smart functionality to UK doors, including PVC and composite doors, with a security level found only with Ultion. Hands-free locking, unlocking and status checking via smartphone, multiple device locking with one command, auto unlock on approach and electronic guest keys. If you're serious about upgrading your home's security and want to know more about the most secure door locks available today, don't hesitate to leave a comment or send us a message. We're here to dive deeper into how you can fortify your home against potential intruders and provide you with the peace of mind you deserve. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel and share the video.